Hi, and welcome to the Novel Suite video tutorial series, created to help you get the most out of Novel Suite. This video is focusing on importing an existing file. Let's give it a go.
Here are the steps for importing existing work into Novel Suite. Start by opening the word processor. Next, click the Import button. Select the file you wish to import from your computer or device and click Choose. Now click Save Changes to save your file. Give the file a title and save it to the relevant book. A book must have already been created to import a file to it. If you don't have any books listed, see the Create a New Book tutorial. Your imported file is now visible on the Novel board.
Thank you so much for watching, and check out our other tutorials if you want to learn even more about how to use Novel Suite.